welcome. First of all, I want to say a very big thank you to all my subscribers. Thank you for your support over time. It's because of you I'm encouraged to do more videos. I already have specific timeline and some of the videos I'm going to do at such when I hit a particular timeline. Okay, so now I have 1,000 subscribers, and one thing I've decided to do is to do a complete application from start to finish uh, when I have 1,000 subscribers. So thank you for all subscribers. And today I'll be starting a complete application, and we'll all go through the process together. So the next timeline will be 5,000 subscribers, and in 5,000 subscribers, what I've decided to do is to start to introduce animations into my tutorial video. So let me show you some of the animations that I'm talking about. So like here you see this is a workout. This is a workout application. Let's see the animation. So you have subtle animation like this. We'll be doing something as such. Let's see another one. We're saying animations like this in our tutorials, starting from 5,000 subscribers upward. Let me also show you another animation. We also have something like this. This is a custom application for music, I think. So when by the time we get to 5,000 subscribers, we'll be having this. So please endeavor to subscribe. The essence of having this timeline is to be encouraged to do such videos like this. So you subscribing means that you are getting value out of this channel, and also that you are expecting more from me. So the more subscribers I have, the more I'll be encouraged to do videos, so that I'll be able to address most of the issues that that you may be experiencing as far as developing applications with Xamarin.Forms. So this is not in a way to cajole or persuade people to subscribe. It's just a way for me to do to balance things, because of course I do have a day job, and I do videos most times in weekends. So if you guys subscribe, that will encourage me to take more time to look into doing videos. All right, so let's look at what we are going to do today. Okay, so today we'll be starting a complete application, and I've decided that we'll be looking at this. We'll be following this prototype. For those of you that are subscribed, you know that I already have a weather application tutorial in this in the list of my videos. I have decided not to continue with that. I decided not to continue with that uh, video because of some of the things that I want to do. Um, I want to achieve in a complete video. So I'll be starting with a new uh, design. All right, without wasting time, let's get started. So I'm going to create a new project. I'm going to create a new mobile application project. I'm going to call it complete weather app. So I'll give it any name that you like. So let's create it. I'm going to select a blank template here. I'm going to select Android and iOS platform. You can also select the Windows platform if you like. I'm going to stick to these two platforms. I'm going to select OK. So what I've decided to do is to split this video into different parts. This is the first part, this is the introduction. What we're going to do is to do the project setup at this stage. We're going to set up the project. So in this video, I'll be showing you the way I structure my project. Initially, I've always been showing you just showing you how to do things, but now I'm going to show you some of the things I practice when I develop applications. So the first thing I'm going to do at this stage is to create some folders. So I like to put things I like to organize things inside in folders for readability and to make it very clean. So we call it clean architecture. So I'm going to add a new folder, and this folder is going to hold all the views. So by views, I mean all the pages in the application. So for our weather application, we have multiple pages. We have the landing page that shows the current weather of a particular place. We have the pages view where you have a list of all the location page where you have the list of all the locations that you decided to add. Later we have things like the settings page. We have the add page. That's where you add location. We have the map page where you show the weather of a particular of your locations on a map. So those are things that we are still going to do in the future. So endeavor to subscribe and click on the notification icon so that when I upload all these other parts, you'll be notified. All right. So the next folder I'm going to add is the folder that's going to hold the models. So all the models that we're going to use, the class model, will be in this folder. Then the next folder I'm going to add is the say helper. So I like to put all my helper classes in the helper class if I'm following this project structure. So the helper classes are things that do something we call utility or so things that do some of these little things and some other heavy lifting uh, outside the main outside the code behind itself. So those are the things I'm going to have uh, for now. So you can have other folders like resources and other folders as time as the need arise. But for now, this is what we are going to stick to. Okay, so the next I'm going to do is to add my assets. So I have some assets created here, not here. Da, 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 da. Okay, so I'm going to bring the assets out. Okay, so I have these assets right here. These are some of the images that we're going to be using in this application. As the case may be, we may need to add more. I'm going to select all this. This include the icons for each weather status. So this shows the list of weather status and some other images that we're going to be using. All right, so let's add this into each of our resource folders. So in the Android resource folder, I'm going to add this into the drawables. I'm going to paste right here, and also I'm going to paste this in the resources folder for the iOS, so that if you're following using the iOS version, you can have access to all these assets. All right, so that is that. So the last thing you're going to do at this point is to enable XAML Alt Reload. Now, XAML Alt Reload is a function in Visual Studio that helps you to automatically reload the page at runtime. So you can run your project inside emulator and change some things in XAML, or maybe sometimes even some little things in your code, and immediately you save it, that page will automatically reloads on the emulator or on your phone, as the case may be. So the benefit of that is that it makes design time, it shortens the design time. So as you design, you can quickly see the outcome of your changes. So how to enable auto reload is to go to tools, options. From here, you can just search just search auto reload. So we have auto reload here. The first thing is come to the general, make sure that these two checkboxes are checked. Then you can come to auto reload and make sure that this enable Xamarin auto reload check. From experience, if you update your Visual Studio, there's a possibility that this checkbox will be unchecked. I've experienced that, so you want to double check and make sure that this is checked. All right, so that's it for this video. Remember to subscribe, like this video if you have enjoyed it, and also try to share with friends and family, share with your community, other people that you think will can benefit from this video. Please share Please share. I can't stress that enough. Please share so that other people can benefit from this video. All right, that's it, and I'll see you in the next video.